Q Ranch lies high in the mountains of Arizona's Mogollon Rim country, among the ponderosa pines and oak, at an elevation of 5,500 feet. Centuries ago, in this mountain valley, the Mogollon culture built one of their largest villages, a huge 220-room sandstone pueblo. Several acres are strewn with pottery sherds and other artifacts left by the people that lived here from about 1260 to 1380. These ruins and artifacts will serve as the inspiration for a pottery replication workshop on Labor Day weekend 2018. Immediately adjacent to the ruins of Q Ranch Pueblo is the historic Q Ranch, where the participants of the workshop will stay in comfort for 4 days with delicious gourmet meals prepared. Workshop participants will follow the entire process that the ancients used to produce their beautiful pottery. They will start by digging their own clay out of the earth of Q Ranch, then turn that into workable clay and form pottery from it by hand using the same coil and scrape technique employed by the prehistoric Mogollon potters. While this pottery is being made, there will be access to prehistoric pottery, both whole vessels and broken sherds, for ideas and inspiration. Participants will tour the ruins and learn about the people that lived here over 600 years ago. The pottery will be painted with natural clay and mineral pigments and polished with smooth stones. The climax of this workshop will be the outdoor firing on the last day, when the pottery that the participants have produced will be fired in an open outdoor juniper wood fire. Join us on Labor Day weekend, August 31st to September 3rd, 2018, for this unique prehistoric pottery workshop at Q Ranch. For more information or to register, please visit andywardpottery.com/workshop.